to my channel. This is me, Jhem, and welcome to my makeup tutorial. Anyway, today I'm gonna be doing how I draw an eyebrow for a new beginner. I know a lot of you really like this kind of video because you know what? Eyebrow is life, you know. But anyway, before I'm gonna start this video, I will shout out to Lisel Manikas for requesting this video, and I hope my dear you've been watching this video. Okay, so anyway, let's do this and let's do our drawing eyebrow. Alright ladies, so we're gonna start now on eyebrows. So anyway, so the first thing we are going to draw an eyebrow is, it's very important that we have an eyebrow pencil, so that is why we can draw an eyebrow. Anyway, so I have this eyebrow pencil. This one is a hazelnut by Nichido. Alright, so you have to shape an eyebrow. Okay, so just follow me like this. You have to draw it here from the beginning. Just like that. Just draw. And like that. Just make it sure that you put a mermaid tail here. Just like that. And you have to draw it again from the top. So that's why I look much. Alright, so this is it, right? I know that my next is you have to draw it again. See that, ladies? Alright, just draw like this. Just like that. And draw from the top. And like this. And like this. I'm sorry for my position here. Right? Boom! So it's almost much, right? But don't worry, this is not yet finished. Okay, this is like step by step. Alright, so I have this Glam of Sweden eyeliner gel. This one. You see that? Alright, so anyway. Then I have this angle eyeliner brush by BYS. Alright, so this is the inside of this 24-hour eye gel liner by Glam Sweden brand. Alright, so what I'm doing is usually, ladies, is I just put it here in my skin, you know. And I'm gonna scatter here a little bit this brush, this BYS here, you know. But anyway, so the next step is, if what you draw here, like this line, you have to follow only. Alright, so just follow this line, and well, of course you have to start here from the beginning and like this. Draw it. Draw it like that. Look, right? It's already have a color, but it's not yet full color, you know. It's a little bit light yet, but anyway, it's step by step. My dear hand, I really like you, I want to draw you. Alright, so anyway, so what we're going to do the next is we have to shade it. Okay, but using the BYS brush. Shaded here inside of your eyebrow, and like that. And like this, ladies. And well, of course you have to color a little bit here from the beginning, my dear. Just like that. Just like that. Just like this only, dear. I know it's really hard for you to make this kind of eyebrow, but anyway, all you need to do is to just draw first before you're gonna put that 24-hour eye gel liner. For me, choose an eye gel 24-hour because you know what? It's long-lasting to your eyebrow. You know, you can do a party, but you know what? Eyebrow is still alive. Yeah, you know? Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna get again a color just a little bit here, like that. It is fight for your eyebrow, and let's draw the other side. Alright, so, well, you have to shade it now. Color your eyebrow, match to the other side. One like this and of course this one at the beginning. You have to like that, only just a mild draw, shaded draw. Just color it a little bit. I know it's really hard, but it's okay. You can do this. Alright, so it look like an embroid. Alright, well, of course, you have to color also the tail of the mermaid, you know. This one, like that. It's just like this, my dear. Look. Boom. So this one is a chocolate PYS brush. Okay, it's long lasting, like a waterproof for me. You know, this is a waterproof brush. So that is what it look like, amazing your eyebrow. Okay, so you're gonna brush it like this, and up. You start from down, then up, and brush to the other side. Look, see, I did. And after that, well, not yet finished. Alright, so maybe you can see why it's still a little bit, I think it look like match now. But we have to shade it a little bit again. Shade like this. Shade it like this. And shade the other side. Okay, so don't worry, ladies, we almost finished. Okay, so, well, I have a technique for that. We have to brush it first, you know. This one is not yet finished, but anyway, I told you eyebrow is too much drama, you know. So this one brush is by H&M, the brow and lash brush. For the eyelashes and for the eyebrow too. Alright, so we're gonna brush it. See that? So you have to brush it like this. Well, you have to match it and brush like up brush. Okay, so and up brush and brush your little mermaid and like that. You know. Alright, so well, we're almost done. You can see. But don't worry about this. This one, why it's not much, right? A little bit not much. But anyway, we have another secret of this one to look like a normal eyebrow. Okay, so wait, my dear. If you have a wipes, that's good, you know, because I have a secret on that. Anyway, so I have this Neutrogena wet wipes. This is really good. Anyway, so all you need to do is, my dear, is to do like this. Your fingertips, alright? Then you have to just wipe like that. Just slow down only. It's just like this. It's just like this. Right? See? It looked like I did not draw my eyebrow. It looked like an embroid. See? See the difference from the other side? This one or here? Here, oh. Here, it's like there is a horn or a line. This one, I already erased it with this wipes. Alright, so, well, of course, you have to erase. You are going to just wipe only your eyebrow. You have to wipe it here, only this kind of line. This line, you know. Erase like that, erase like this, just a little bit. Just like this. Look how simple it is. Oh, look, it look like an embroid. I love it. Alright, ladies, so this is it. This is my final look of my eyebrows. Alright, so I hope that I helped you girls with your problem about how to draw your eyebrow. Don't worry, it takes time. You can make it a perfect eyebrow, promise. Just slow down, just step by step, just follow what I'm doing. Just draw an eyebrow with a pencil before you are going to put a gel liner. Anyway, so before I'm gonna end up this video, I just want to say thank you by Sephora for giving me this bag. I really love it, you know. Okay, so anyway, I just want to shout out to my few friends vlogger. If you have free time, you can visit their channels. Okay, so I'm gonna shout out Red Cinco. Red Cinco, she is doing a makeup tutorial. And plus, if you want to learn something like a cooking show, you can go also to Alvin Maniquez and Estela de Cocina. And after that is, if you want something like a news about the world news, you can go also to Makoy Gueco. And if you want something like I love products, like reviewing products like this, if you're going to review some cream, anything, blah blah blah, you can go also to Marcos, please. Okay, so but anyway, this is it. A lot of you I can shout out next time by my next video. So anyway, I hope everybody, girls, ladies, you have to have a big patience when it comes to your eyebrow, you know. This is me, this is what I'm doing before. I just drawing first before I am going to put a 24-hour eye gel. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna end up my video now. Don't forget to just like, comment down below, and like and share and subscribe of my YouTube channel. And if you want to do some requests, makeup or something like that, just comment down below and I'll be there to just like reading all your comments, and very sweet comment, I'm gonna do that. So anyway, this is me, Jhem, and see you in my next video. Goodbye everyone.